Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are well. I am Devendra. I will describe you about the topic of class at chapter number 1, chapter name crop production and management. First of all, I would like to say that if you don't have subscribed my channel, then first subscribe it, then press the bell icon button so that the next videos notification will reach. So let's start. Crop. The word crop means to grow the same type of plants in a mass scale in the field is called crop. Okay. Now the term agriculture. The term agriculture comes from the Latin words ager, which means field, and the cultura, which means care. So the care of field is called agriculture. Okay. Agriculture means growing of plants or raising of animals for human use. Okay, so the in large scale growing of similar plants to fulfill the requirement for human is called agriculture. Okay, it also includes the animal and their growth for the human purpose. Okay, now the practice or the business of agriculture is usually called farming, and the place where the work done is called farm. Okay, so so the the task of agriculture uh, and practice in a wide range and what great effort in a particular field is called farm, and the tasks are performed in this field in the business purpose is called agriculture or farming. Okay, so the farmers are the uh, big big farmer and have a big land. Okay, and they do agriculture for the business purpose. Okay, next, crop plants. Earlier we have discussed crop plants. Crop is what the plants grow in large quantities in field are called crop plants. Okay. Same type of plants which grown in the field are called crop plants. Okay. Since plants are the major sources of food, it becomes necessary to increase the production of crops to meet the food requirement of our population. Okay, earlier we have discussed that the purpose of agriculture is to uh, produce crop for the fulfillment of food for the population of our country. Okay, farmers cultivate various food crops like cereals, vegetables, and fruits for their own use and for profit. Many farmers produce crop for their eating purpose, some business purpose for their getting profit from selling these crops. Okay, this is the wide variety of crops which are the cereal crops, pulses, oil crops, and fiber crops. There are the classification of crops according to their production. Now the horticulture. Horticulture is the branch of agriculture which deals with the growth of vegetables, fruits, and essential items. Also include some decorative plants and flowers. Okay, in a garden. So it's a branch of agriculture. Horticulture terms derived from two Latin words, hortus, which means garden, and the cultura, which means care. So the care of garden, we can say care of garden is termed as the horticulture. Thus, horticulture deals with the growing and production of vegetables, fruits, ornamental plants, as we management of orchid and parks. Okay, in this horticulture, uh, production of vegetables, fruits, some decorative plants or ornamental plants, okay, and parks and activity involved in the maintenance of these plants and uh, its element. Okay, so this is the term of horticulture. Now we will discuss about crop season. Crop season, there are the different crops which produce in our countries, and crop requires different climatic condition like temperature or like moisture and amount of water to need to grow the plant. Okay, so these are the different climatic condition for the different crops. So depending on the seasonal conditions and the time of growth, there are mainly two types of crops season in our country. They are as follows. First one is the kharif crops. The time of kharif crops are rainy season, which starts from the month of June and harvested around October. Okay, so the time of this crops, kharif crops, is the in month June to October. For example, paddy which produces rice, and the pea, arhar, we can call arhar, maize, cotton means kapas, and soybean and groundnut. Okay, all these are the product of kharif crops. Now the second season is the rabi crop. These are sown in the winter season starting from the month of October and harvested around April. So the time for this crop is in the winter season, in the month of October to April. For example, wheat, grams, peas, mustard, means sarso, linseed oil, okay, and barley. These are the crops of the rabi crops. Okay, friends. So these are the important point. What are the rabi crops and what are the kharif crops? Now the term agriculture practices. Before the production of crops include the many activities and many tasks from starting to end. So this type of practices and activities which will be discussed further as follows. Various type of agricultural tasks are as follows. First, soil preparation. Second, selection of seeds. Third, sowing of seeds. Fourth, adding manure or fertilizers. Fifth, irrigation. Sixth, weeding. And next, crop production. Next stage is harvesting, then threshing and storage of grains. All these steps are performing continuously and step by step, so that for a good agriculture purpose. Okay, and then we will discuss this point one by one in the next videos. If you I again request you to, if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon button for the next video update. Thank you. Jai Hind.